Good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to the first session of maths in class 6th. I am Megha Shinde. I am going to teach you maths. In maths, your first chapter is knowing our numbers. The first topic of this chapter is larger numbers. Thus, you know the smallest two-digit number is 10 and the largest two-digit number is 99. When we add 1 to 99, thus we get the smallest three-digit number is 100 and the largest three-digit number is 999. The smallest four-digit number is 1000 and the largest four-digit number is 9999. The smallest five-digit number is 10,000 and the largest five-digit number is 99,999. The smallest six-digit number is 1 lakh and the largest six-digit number is 9,99,999. Adding 1 to it, we get 10 lakh, which is the smallest seven-digit number. The largest seven-digit number is 99,99,999. Adding 1 to 8, we get 1 crore, which is the smallest 8-digit number. In this way, we can write larger numbers. Place value. The place value of a digit in a number signifies the place it occupies in the number. Like in 6249, 9 is at 1's place, 4 is at 10's place, 2 is at 100's place and 6 is at 1000's place. Now the face value of digit. The face value of a digit remains as it is, whatever place it may be occupying in the place value chart. Example, the face value of 2 in the number 6249 is 2, whereas the place value of 2 is 100, so we can write it as 2 into 100, that is 200. Next topic is expanded form of numbers. When a number is written as the sum of the place values of all the digits of the number, then the number is in the expanded form. Example, 9475 is equal to 9 is at 1000's place, so here we will write 9000, plus 4 is at 100's place, so here we will write 400, plus 7 is at 10's place, so we will write 70, plus 5 is at 1's place, so here we will write 5. So it is 9475. Next topic is Indian and International System of Numeration. First is Indian System of Numeration. Values of the places in the Indian System of Numeration are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and so on. The following place value chart can be used to identify the digit in any place in Indian system. You can see the chart. There are 4 blocks. First block ones, which is divided in 3 sub blocks, ones, tens and hundreds. Second block is of thousands, which is also divided in 2 parts or 2 sub blocks, thousands, 10,000s. Third block lakhs, which is divided in 2 sub blocks, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and fourth block is of crores, which is divided in 2 sub blocks, crores and 10 crores. Now International System of Numeration. In this system, values of the places in the International System of Numeration are ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and then millions, 10 millions, and so on. You can see the chart. First block, ones. In ones there are three sub blocks, ones, tens, hundreds. The second block, thousands, which is divided in three sub blocks, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. And the third block, millions, is divided in three sub blocks, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Now start the exercise 1.1. In exercise 1.1 there are 13 questions and each question has 3 sub questions. So start with the first question. In this video class, we will do the only one question of each question and the remaining 2 questions are in homework. Now the first question is write the face value of the digit 5 in each of the following numbers. First question is 84,165. Now we have to find out the face value. Face value of digit is digit itself, that is 5. In question number 2, write the expanded form of the following numbers. You are given some numbers and you have to write its expanded form. First number is 76,14,639. So here you can see 7 is at 10 lakhs place. So first we will write 70 lakh plus 6 is at lakhs place. So we will write 6 lakh plus 1 is at 10,000s place. So we will write 10,000 plus 4 is at thousands place. So we will write 4,000 plus 6 is at hundreds place. So we will write 600 plus 3 is at tens place. So we will write 30 and the last is 9 is at ones place. So we will write 9. So the expanded form of this number is 70 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 9. Now these 2 questions will be in homework. Question number 3 is write the place value of the digit 7 in each of the following numbers. Now see the first question. The number is 18,64,784. In this question you can see 7 is at hundreds place. So we will write 700. In the same way, you can find the value of the place value of 7 in this number and this number. Question number 4 is rewrite the following numbers after separating with comma according to International Numeration System. Also write the number in words. You have given a number. First you have to put comma according to International Numeration System. In International Numeration System, we have seen there are 3 blocks. So we will put comma after every 3 digits. So first comma we will put after 981. Then second comma will be put after 869. And the number becomes 54,968,189. Question number 5 is rewrite the following numbers after separating with comma according to Indian Numeration System. Also write the number in words. Here we have to put comma according to Indian Numeration System. In Indian Numeration System, we have seen there are 4 blocks and first block is divided in 3 sub blocks. After that, every block is divided in 2 sub blocks. So first we will put comma after 3 digit. After that we will put comma after every 2 digit. Now this number can be written as 4. We will put comma after first 3 digits. So 641. First comma will be here. After that, after every 2 digits, so 58. So we will put comma here. Now the number becomes 46,85,146. The next question, question number 6 is write the smallest and the greatest of the following numbers. You have given 4 numbers. 1,48,641, 1,48,31,614, 1,49,86,354, and the last number is 14,66,668. Now we have to write smallest number and the greatest number. So clearly you can say the smallest number is 1,48,641 and the greatest number. How can we find the greatest number? We can see these two numbers are in crores. So we will see among this. You can see it is 1 crore 48 lakh, but this is 1 crore 49 lakh. So the greatest number among these numbers is 1 crore 49 lakh 86,354. You can solve the other two questions in homework. Now question number 7. Arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. First question is 8,96,186, 91,58,615, 3,58,433, 8,67,446. First we will write this in ascending order. When we write this in ascending order, we can get 3,58,433. This is the smallest number. After this 8,67,000, because here we have 8,96,000. So the second will be 8,67,446. At third place we will write 8,96,186, and the greatest among these numbers is 91,58,615. So here we have written this number in ascending order, that is from smallest to greatest. Now we have to write this in descending order also. So in descending order, first we will write the greatest number, that is 91,58,615. After that 8,96,186. After this 8,67,446, and the smallest number is 3,58,433. In the same way you can do the remaining questions. The next part, the remaining part we will continue in the next session. Thank you.